The SikaSwell profile should be fixed with SikaSwell S2 adhesive. The adhesive must be extruded in sufficient quantity to level the roughness of the substrate in a narrow triangular bead to a minimum of 10 millimeters. The profile must be placed within 30 minutes and pressed well into the still fresh adhesive until small quantities of adhesive ooze out from both sides of the profile. Allow the adhesive to harden for 2 to 3 hours before placing the concrete. It is important that a full and continuous contact be achieved between the profile and the substrate. Place the profile in the center of the concrete section with a minimum cover to profile on both sides of 75 millimeters for reinforced concrete or 150 millimeters for non-reinforced concrete. Connections and corners must be butt jointed and fixed with SikaSwell S2 adhesive. During concreting, compact well around the profile to provide a dense concrete without honeycombing or voidage. The most recent issue of the product datasheet must always be consulted prior to application.